You just spent 3 hours pushing the wall. You are exhausted. In everyday language, you did a lot of work. But in physics, if the wall did not move, you did absolutely zero work. Physics does not care about your effort. It only cares about one thing: did the object move? Work, in physics, is done when a force causes a displacement. That is the entire definition. If you apply a force F on an object and it moves a distance s in the direction of the force, the work done is simply F times s. When the force and displacement point in the same direction, the work done is positive. Think of pushing a box forward. You are adding energy to the box. It speeds up. Now imagine friction. The block slides to the right, but friction always opposes motion, so it acts to the left. When the force opposes the displacement, the work done is negative. Friction is taking energy away from the moving object. Here is the most confusing case. Imagine carrying your school bag from one room to another. You apply an upward force to hold the bag. But your displacement is horizontal. The force is perpendicular to the movement. When force and displacement are at 90 degrees to each other, no work is done. 0. Your muscles are working hard, but the bag gains no energy from you. Now let us derive kinetic energy. Let a block of mass m start from rest. Apply a constant force F. The block accelerates, gaining velocity. By the third equation of motion, the displacement s is related to final velocity v by v squared minus u squared equals to as. Since u is 0, the displacement s equals v squared divided by 2a. Now, work done is force times displacement. Substituting force as m times a. Substituting back, the a's cancel beautifully, and we get W is equal to 1/2 mv squared. This I is kinetic energy. Notice, it depends on the square of velocity. Double the speed, 4 times the energy. Now let us think about a block being lifted against gravity. You are doing work on it. Where does that work go? It gets stored as potential energy, energy stored by virtue of its position. The force you apply equals mg, the weight. The distance is h. So the stored potential energy is mgh. The work energy theorem connects what you do to an object with what happens to it. The net work done on an object equals the change in its kinetic energy. If net work is positive, it speeds up. If negative, it slows down. As positive work is done, kinetic energy grows. The net work done equals the exact difference in kinetic energy. Energy cannot be created. It cannot be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form into another. Watch this pendulum. At the highest point, it momentarily stops. All energy is potential, no kinetic. As it swings down, potential energy converts into kinetic energy. At the bottom, it moves fastest. All energy is kinetic. But notice, the total mechanical energy never changes. This is the law of conservation of energy. Mechanical energy equals kinetic energy plus potential energy. And in the absence of friction, this total always remains constant.